Hi, this is Brian Pasch, and I have a special invitation for dealer principals and general managers and fixed operations directors who would like to gain a stronger understanding of their marketing data. You see, I've traveled around the world and there's one consistent theme. General managers and dealer principals want to understand more about their marketing, but well, it's kind of confusing to them, and most of the workshops that they've attended speak over their head and don't give them tactical advice on how to hold their marketing partners more accountable. So on August 8th, I've created a special course, no more than 15 people. It's just for dealer principals and general managers and fixed ops directors who want to be able to have an active discussion with their team, with their agency partners, with their OEM digital agencies, and to improve marketing outcomes. Every dealer principal and general manager, fixed op director have sales goals. They have revenue and profitability goals, and marketing is a piece of that success story. I'm here to create a one-day workshop to make it easy for managers to understand their data, not a national study or a regional study, not a 20-group data study, but how they can use their own data to make smarter, more confident decisions. If this interests you, I encourage you to act quickly. Follow the link below or call the number listed below and get your team registered. You can come by yourself, you can come with another general manager in your group, but understand that a course like this is unique. It's never been offered before, to my understanding, so you need to act now because I want to keep the class size small. You can fly right into Newark Airport. We're 45 minutes south. We're right by the Jersey Shore. All the details on the event and local hotels are on the website, so just follow this link or call the number below. Ask for Steve Pasch. Get your team registered for this workshop, and I look forward to seeing you in the PCG offices in August.